This is the worst week of Jessica Chapel's life. See, Jessica made a cake for a charity bake sale, which poisoned 37 people. She was arrested, handcuffed, and thrown in prison. The donkey charity was shut down, and she was on the news, globally, with the headline, "Evil Cake Woman Shuts Down Donkey Charity." But now Jessica is on her perfect holiday, booked through onthebeach.co.uk. So right now she's thinking, look at you making cake for charity. You're such a good person. Everything's better on the beach. Atoll protected.
Creativity can take us anywhere. So catch an idea and make it real. Start with nothing and make something. Hold on to your vision and discover the possibilities within. Bombay Sapphire. Stir creativity.
I'm Simon Cowell, and I know good business. So when Barclaycard told me about their repayment calculator, which shows how a small extra repayment each month adds up to paying them much less in interest, I was shocked. That would be like me setting up a talent show in Antarctica, a virtually uninhabited, ice-covered landmass.
Beautiful dog.
Why did I do this? Why would I do that? It would be awful television, and I'd get hypothermia. It would be bad business. But Barclaycard have made their repayment calculator, so you should definitely use it.
So, what shall we watch?
Oh, look, how about this?
Enjoy endless adventures with 2-for-1 cinema tickets when you buy us to Compare the Market.
It's safe.
It's time to play by new rules. To Forget about the past. It's time for you to wake up to 100% electric. To take yourself further on a single charge. Britain, the new all-electric Vauxhall Corsa E is here. It's time to switch it up.
Welcome to Cineworld, where cinema means more. More together times, and I've so been looking forward to this. More gravity-defying, nerve-shredding, eye-widening, jaw-dropping moments. Unlimited movies anytime, and more memories made. More of what you love, at a place you love. Feel more. Feel more at Cineworld.
Warning! Giving someone a Cineworld gift card may lead to uncontrollable smiling, feel-good vibes, and happy dances. Say it with a Cineworld gift card. Available in cinema and at cineworld.com.
This year's been tough and confusing, but progress is moving.
Well, a glacial pace. Sorry.
But all of Australia loves you, and we'll never judge you.
You just need some space. Because negotiating tricky trade deals is a shocker.
But look, there's a quokka, and that's what you need. A quokka is really what you need. Don't bite your nails to the cuticles. And with impressive marsupials.
Helping a mate is a national
trait in Australia.
See you soon then, yeah?
Welcome to IMAX, the world's most immersive movie experience. Powered by a combination of the most advanced technology, we'll take you from the edge of your seat to the edge of reality. Enjoy crystal clear images and colors so intense they will take your breath away in specially designed theaters that bring you closer to the movies you love. Huge panoramic screens that allow you to escape into your favorite movie scenes, and immersive sound that will surround you from here, here, and here. We can take you from a pin drop to the thunder of a jet engine. So, sit back and get ready to enjoy an unparalleled movie experience. IMAX. Never compromise.
Your instructor is one of the finest pilots this program has ever produced. His exploits are legendary. What he has to teach you may very well mean the difference between life and death.
Your reputation precedes you.
I have to admit, I wasn't expecting an invitation back.
They're called orders, Maverick.
aviators. This is your captain speaking. Today's exercise is dogfighting.
2 versus 1? He's got to be kidding. What the hell?
We all believe we'd run into the burning building. But until we feel that heat, we can never know. You do. You chose to die instead of giving up your colleagues. That test you passed? Not everybody does. Welcome to the afterlife.
To do what I do, I need some idea of the threat we face.
As I understand it, we're trying to prevent World War III.
Nuclear holocaust.
No. Something worse.
All I have for you is a word. Tenet. It'll open the right doors, some of the wrong ones too.
You have to start looking at the world in a new way.
Don't try to understand it. Feel it.
What'll happen here?
Hasn't happened yet.
My life hasn't been what you probably think it has. We all have our struggles.
Have you ever been in love?
A long, long time ago. You?
So many times. Yeah, all the time.
Welcome to the future. Life is good, but it can be better. And why shouldn't it be? All you need is to want it. Think about finally having everything you always wanted.
I can save today, but you can save the world.
Steve.
Now,
I take what I want in return.
everyone will see. The world needs you.
You know what you need to do.
Nothing good is born from lies. And greatness is not what you think. That's just a trash can.
It's just a trash can. Yeah.
Why would I betray you?
We all have our secrets. We just didn't get to yours yet.
The world is arming faster than we can respond.
Where's 007?
I need a favor, brother. You're the only one I trust for this.
The world's moved on, Commander Bond.
You were 00?
2 years. So stay in your lane. You get in my way, I will put a bullet in your knee. The one that works.
I thought you two would get along.
Name?
Bond.
James Bond.
So you're not dead?
Hello, Q. I've missed you.
It's the most valuable asset this country has. If you feel yourself losing control,
I'm not going to lose control.
James, you gave up everything for her. When her secret finds its way out, it'll be the death of him.
What is it?
You don't know what this is?
James Bond. License to kill. History of violence. I could be speaking to my own reflection. Only your skills die with your body. Mine will survive long after I'm gone.
History isn't kind to men who play God.
On our planet, there are infinite worlds. Some real, some unreal. Why live in just one when you can immerse yourself in the richness of others? Worlds that will break your heart. Worlds that will put it back together. Within each one, there are stories that push the limits and then go beyond. Experience these worlds to the fullest. Then experience 1,000 more.
Please turn your phone off, yeah.
Thank you.